Hi guys, and welcome back to Freaks for Techs. If you are a Games of Thrones fans like me, here I have something cheap and really unique for you. A gadget that you should totally buy, or give it to a friend, or give friend. This is a music box, or en français, a carry-on. You can buy it on Amazon following the link in the video description. Let's check it out after my new intro. It takes me the last month to make it and learn how to make it, so I hope you really enjoy it. Okay, the music box is made of wood. A cheap quality, of course. We can see 5 layers, probably 3 of woods and 2 of glue or something like that. All around there are engravings with Baratheon's quote, "Ours is the fury," with the metal head of Starks and the Game of Thrones logo, and on the inside the famous "Winter is coming" quote from House Stark. Probably this is true because here in Italy, on the northeast where I live, we are at the end of April and there is snow again on the mountain, so winter is coming, yes, and it's not going away. So, by the way, taking a closer look at the engraves, we can see that they are made with a small needle, probably Arias one, and they are not burned, so no dragons are involved. But we can also see there are 2 layers of engraving, 2 levels of depth, by the way, in making this. That's all. It's a well made, cheap music box for €6, sometimes 8 and sometimes 10 on Amazon. It's a good things, but okay, now we can play it and listen how it sounds. I hear something really bad, so we can take our screwdrivers. Here we are. I fix it kit, and we can try to open it because here this sounds really bad, so we're gonna remove its ends. 1 and 2 screw. We have taken the number 2 cross screw. We can see that this it's pretty shitty quality at we can't have much at this price, so probably I don't remember which one was, but probably this one, and probably this is the one that caused the bad playing of this music box. But Guys, if you like the video, subscribe and follow me. If you like it very well, plus the like button. And thank you for support me and following me on also Facebook and on Instagram. Oh, there is nothing to do with this cheap music box. We have to remount the screw and take it as it is. But it's a nice gift to have. I recommend you to buy it, show it, but don't let people to play it. So we restore the two screws. And this is bad. This is what happens when you buy cheap things on Amazon or on Wish, but by the way, it's nice to have. It was not the one, but it sounds pretty horrible, by the way. So, okay guys, thank you for following us. But at least you will have the final gadget that will let you to watch your final season of Game of Thrones with or without spoilers in a different mode. When all your friends will stand in front of the TV watching this intro, you are better, my friends. You have the power to play the intro by your own. With this music box. Not the same sound quality, but it's good. See you guys next time.